Hello dear traders and welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so you won't miss anything, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. My name is Nick.
And I am Shahbaz. I am financial analyst at Olymtrade.
Well, yeah, so Shahbaz, by the way, so did you see the yesterday's stream?
Yeah, definitely. It was very interesting.
Yes. Well, actually, we had a battle with Yaroslav. How did you like it?
Yeah, it was awesome. And especially I liked the part where there was quiz section. And actually, I was guessing that what are the answers.
So did you manage?
I managed to answer few of them, like safe havens and gold.
Cool, that's really good. So by the way, yes, so yesterday we chose like winners, yes, in the chart. So we had 3 winners, by the way, yes, so from the yesterday stream. And today we're gonna choose more winners out of you, my friends. So by the way, Shahbaz, yesterday's stream was dedicated to risk on versus risk off assets. So why? What do you think? So what is, by the way, so what is risk on and risk off? So could you give your comments, please?
Risk on is a time when investors think that it's time to invest in riskier asset like cryptocurrency, equities, because investors think that riskier asset will outperform and it will give higher return. So this is a situation of risk on. But when it comes to risk off, is a situation when traders are pessimistic and they think that the equities may fall and the economy is not performing good. So at that time, investor pull out their money from riskier asset like equities, cryptos, and they shift it to safe havens like gold. So this is a situation of risk off.
Yes, well, as you see, my friend, so this is like a special conditions on the markets. Yes, well, when money is allocating from one asset to another ones. So by the way, Shahbaz, you are trading on the Indian market. So could you tell us please more about risk on situations in the Indian market? So when was the last Indian market rally, for example?
Okay, like so after COVID pandemic, when it just started in the month of March, we saw a bull rally in Indian equities for around 1.5 years, and it started in April 2020. And in that, we have seen the Indian equity has given a return of more than 100% within 1 year. So your money just got doubled if you have invested in Indian equities 1 year back. So
that's really cool. That's really cool.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this was a situation when there was risk on, but right now there is a situation of risk off. We are seeing worldwide there is a possible recession is upcoming.
Yes, in the global economy. So that's why, my friends. So we actually. So what is our challenge? So it's back to the future challenge. So that's why we're speaking about this week. So we decided to dedicate this week to the COVID-19 situation and the pandemic and the risk-off conditions on the markets during this pandemic. So what happens? Actually, to stimulate the economy to avoid the recession, well, all central banks, well, especially in the United States, started printing a lot of money. Yes, so adding more liquidity to the markets. Also, they actually started this QE program, so which stands for the quantitative easing program. So it will add more liquidity to the markets. And by the way, and as a result, so what are the consequences?
So actually, all around the world, as you mentioned, the central bank printed a lot of money, and that caused inflation all around the world. We are seeing inflation in Europe, in US, in Asia, in India. You can see inflation is rising to the historic highs. And right now, these all are the consequences of the decision which central banks took during the COVID period. And now we are fighting to reduce the inflation all around the world.
So we are trying to fight at least, but we can't. Well, actually, central banks can't. So they started, by the way, so they started already increasing the rates. Yes, so right now in the United States, the rate is 1.75%, and actually they will continue with hiking the rates more, yes, as well as the result. But anyway, so inflation is really high, so it's more than 8% right now in the United States, and in Europe too. So it's really, really high, extremely high. And by the way, so what are the consequences? Well, of course, the American market will fall, will continue falling. European markets, European stock markets will continue falling. Commodities too, yes. So we see that production is decreasing, yes, and the economy is shrinking. Well, as a result, metals will continue falling, yes. But speaking about like risk of such things as gold, maybe they will rise. So what do you think of gold, Shahbaz? What the price will be?
I think there is a possible upside in gold, seeing the current situation and the risk of situation all around the world. Investors want to save their money. At this situation, we are not sure how much fall is still left in the equities. So definitely a gold rally is expected, and of price, I think it will be like around, maybe it can touch again the $2,000 mark.
It's possible. Well, I guess I agree with you. Yes. Well, I think that gold will continue rising, my friends. Well, why so? Because you see, well, there are not so many like safe haven, like truly safe haven assets. Well, as we can see right now, so what's going on with Bitcoin, for example? So we see that the price is decreasing. So we cannot say that Bitcoin or crypto or any cryptocurrency is a safe haven asset. Yeah. So gold still, it is quite stable. Yes, and it's quite like classic, yes, well, tool to invest your money on. By the way, so actually today, we asked our traders to leave their comments about gold, yes, and they had to give their forecast by 12 p.m. UTC time, yes. And today, my friends, I have a really good news for you. So we decided to give risk-free trades to all of you who left comments in our comments section. So Shahbaz, let's go through some really interesting predictions, yes, and forecasts. So okay, so
I will start. So the first comment is from Rhythm.
Okay, my friends, and right now, so again, so let's speak more about our winners, about those traders who left comments in the comment section. So Shahbaz, please start.
So yeah, definitely. So the first trader who commented is Rhythm Vaghani, and the trader says the overall trend of the gold is downwards and it's already broken the support level at 1828. So now it will fall maximum up to the support level at 1807, and it will fluctuate between support level at 1807 and resistance level at 1828. So I think the gold prediction was pretty good. The gold was trading lower in the first half.
Well, actually, in the first half, yes. Yeah. So right now the price is a little bit higher. So well, we may see that the gold price right now is around like 1,845 approximately, yes. Yeah. But anyway, so thank you very much for your comments. And by the way, so I'd like to mention that this trader, he took a really active part, so yesterday, so that's why, well, thank you very much. So you will give your price, well, definitely. So the next comment is from Farhan Ansari. I know if it's an Indian guy, so maybe, yes. From my analysis, I think the gold moves down 1,810.70 because it make a pattern and it is going to make breakdown from the support level. Well, actually, we may see right now that the gold price continues rising. So the prediction is good, but it's not like perfect. So let's say so. But still, anyway, Farhan, thank you very much for your opinion. It was quite good. And by the way, so my friends, don't forget to leave your ID numbers. Yeah. So if you don't leave your ID numbers, we can't identify you. So please. Farhan, so just leave your ID numbers too, so that we will be able to give like risk-free trades to you too. So Shahbaz, continue, please.
Okay, so the next trader is Vaishnovi Ashok. So this trader mentions that I think gold fluctuate between 1810 to 1850 because global economy. So I think, yeah, the gold is pretty much in this range, and the trader is correct. And there could have been a better explanation, but thank you very much for the comment, and you will get the risk-free trade as well.
Well, definitely, of course. Also, I have two comments more, my friends. Well, from Peter Chej. Well, I'm sorry for my pronunciation. Well, Peter, unfortunately, so did not leave his ID number. So, Peter, if you listen to us, yeah, so if you watch us right now, so please don't forget to leave your ID number. Well, Peter wrote, and Peter actually was quite made quite good prediction. Yes, gold should move upwards, ranging at a price between 1,830, 1,835. This is because of the G7 sanctions on import of Russian gold causing some shortage in the market, since Russia is among the top exporters of gold. Well, Peter, I totally agree with you. Well, actually, the price right now continues rising, so that's why definitely, so we will give a risk-free trades to you too, so thanks a lot. And the last comments, the last trader who commented the situation with gold was the comment from Bazoo, a really good nickname. So Bazoo, by the way, didn't leave his ID number either. So Bazoo, please, if you listen to us, don't forget to write your ID number. So Bazoo wrote, my prediction is that the price will move upwards to 1,825 mark, all the way to 1,830, due to uncertainty of news regarding gold supplies from Russia to Europe and globally. Yes, so two our traders wrote about the global situation with the gold price and with these sanctions which were imposed on Russia and which were imposed on the Russian gold export. So thanks a lot, my friends. You will definitely get your risk-free trades. And again, my friends, don't forget that we continue preparing, doing our challenge. So next time, next week, there will be a battle, and I guess, Shakbaz, it will be you.
Yeah.
Yes, it will be you with Yaroslav. So next time, my friends, we'll continue doing this. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss anything. Don't forget to click on the notification bell.
Yeah, definitely. And we have Telegram channel too. And for every language, you should go there and definitely subscribe to that to get regular updates from our platform.
Yeah, this will be quite useful. So guys, thank you very much for coming, and hope to see you all next time.
Yeah, see you guys.
Bye bye.